be Joshua Plus once again with Jordan, but she might leave to go take a shower. So,
people of the world. Hi. First of all.
Wait, don't give it out yet. It's only a surprise, okay?
Okay.
Wait. But we're gonna have a surprise for y'all. All of y'all. Y'all know what it is yet.
And something else, people. Go subscribe to me. Alright, we'll come to your house.
What's your channel anyway?
Jordan, what's it called? Jordan's channel, bye.
Okay. Whatever. Now we're waiting more Ronpa and Forenza.
Just stop. Bye.
Later. Are you ending the killing game? Nope, I scrapped the most and I wanted to play for you all. Because one of you have only planned the murder. I didn't even have the, oh wait, no, they always say that flip. Oh, my gosh. What the? What's going on? Yep, that's it. But we also all know what could happen if someone gets away with this. Like it or not, getting out of here has been underlying motive all along. So we're just supposed to sit around while someone kills one of us? Unless we can somehow catch them before they do something. The likelihood of it isn't good. Unless you have a detective on your team. Listen up, killer. I'm not going to be listening to your cut. Got it? You slip up and I'll find it. Please don't do anything dumb. Oh please, if you'll be able to stop them, oh please, you wouldn't be able to stop them. You're 10 inches tall. I have better chance than a twig-like chicken in a bow tie. Hold on. I hate to say it, but I agree with Chip. Someone's gonna get hurt. I can't just sit back. Me too. We're heroes. It's wrong for us to do nothing. You gotta catch him. I don't want to get axed anytime soon. Dude, you're a main priority. Also, I got maracas. Just kidding, I got a bag of skills. Don't push it. I know it's Jose Pachito and Dow mumbling to each other. Hopefully this won't put an end to our plans. Getting caught before we're ready isn't a great idea. Don't worry, I know what's coming. They'll never go see what hit them. See, it's not gonna be them. They're trying to make it seem like it, but we've always seen that with Daisy. Yeah, right, Jose. Right. Oh geez, that can't be good. Yes it can. I saw Chip trying to leave with Dale, but Doc was stuck in front of him. Hold it. God, watch where it's going. Not everyone's at 3 foot tall, giant. Doc was like 3 foot dang up taller than him. Sorry, but if you're going to go this way, you're not going alone. Alright.
Why do you have red pills?
Because I want to. Why should I have Buckethead and I'll come with you? That'd be great. Huh?
This purple has this shirt on. She has had shirts on.
Okay.
And she has some shirt on.
Okay.
Like me.
Okay.
And my brother
We're not going to be slowed down by tourists.
No.
We're the amateurs. You're like 10 in age or height. Oh, that's the wrong image. Dot. Let's go, Dale. Tim started walking, but Dale didn't follow. Dale? I want to work with them. Dale, we've been over this. We don't always gotta be around each other. If you want to know everyone's help, then you can go, but I want to help them work. About the okay, and cutest act of defense I've ever seen. Dale climbed up one strong leg into his jacket pocket and glared at Chip to see what's there. Dot. But fine, I'll do this on my own. Chip went as quick as he could, shoving his hat down his face as he went. Golly, you don't think I was too harsh on him, did ya? Someone's gonna stand up to that brat. Might as well have been you.
Bunny.
So maybe we should check on him. He made his bed, let him lay in it. What to take to Mother or well, Rockamore, and the other kids probably not doing too well. He could stand to be nicer. Thank you. Well, we're back with him. Now, let's start our investigation. If someone planning to kill, we need to know how. Wait, maybe this could help. Daisy looked somewhere out her pocket and handed it to Fenton. Then what's the weapons? Mama never took them away, did he? Oh. I don't think so. They're all probably heirlooms. How could they? This help? It must not have been of a murder. And of course methods are messier than ours. If not want the boy to get away with it, they avoid things that blood force or trauma is stabbing. Now we're just giving them ideas. Maybe we should start in the sitting room. It'd be an easy place to hide stuff. Agreed. Let us and John. The investigation team left. Say me, is it a good idea to keep the group going? Of course, why wouldn't it be? Well, if there's a killer among us, don't really know if there's someone that could be, I don't really know, it could just be a lie. Has he really been lying though? It's most brutal, honestly, we stuff out. Either way, we need to be friends now more than ever. Maybe if the killer gets to know us more, they won't want to be mean. Yeah! admittedly, I won't worry about Chip. Someone so small wouldn't be running around on his own like that. Yeah, if the killer, he'd probably be an easy target. I'm going to take a look for him. I know he's not the biggest fan of me, but it's better than no one.
I didn't know what my tablet is. And my tablet's flat. My tablet's flat.
Cool. My computer is gray. Guys, I got a new background. Okay. What? I'll come with, but I have stuff to do. Oh wait, I'll help you do that stuff. Colosso. Don, Jose, and Panchito went to go, leaving Daisy frowning. I'll be back later. Daisy left too, having a suspicious look on her face. I probably should find Chip. See you later, okay? I kissed Minky on the cheek, and she smiled warmly. Be safe, dear. I think don't want him to come with you. Yeah, I have a feeling more than one person will overwhelm him. Then be careful, kid. I nodded to Oswald. I was confused. When did he start being so nice to me? After he told you were brothers. Okay? I left the ballroom and started looking for Chip. The closest to the ballroom is the sitting room, but the others are in there. I thought Chip would stay. I sat inside the library, but Vincent, it better to hide it from a small person that's Chip. When I went, oh my gosh, it was good. Even though I couldn't see where he hit, I could hear him. Oh gosh. Chip? I have one of your books shows shield, and it's awkward. Shit. Look like someone dragged it to the spot where they could hide under. They moved towards us, but stopped myself. I'm not going to find you. I really don't want to bother you. I only want to make sure you're alive. I know why you're scared, Chip. I'm scared too, but we don't have to do this alone. I want to work with you to survive this. Leave me alone. Okay, but I'm not going to get rid of my offer when you're ready. If you're even away, let me know. Even if you refuse to trust me, I trust you, Chip. It doesn't matter, none of you care about me. Chip, that's not. Just leave, okay? I don't want to talk to you. If you should, please be safe, Chip. After waiting to see if he wanted to stay, and then I left him alone. He'll be alright. Chip is young, but he seems to think we're all out to get him. It's not totally wrong to assume that, but I wish he'd understand no one's here to go hurt him. I guess it's no better started suspicion Don, Jose, and Pachito out of nowhere, even if they were acting weird. I walked down the hall and reached the door to the stage room and found Daisy worrying against the smile on her face. Oh, hey there, Daisy, what's going on? Oh, nothing. What's about you? I'm trying to talk to Chip, but I don't think he trusts me enough for that. Hey, Daisy, you know the three cabotos? Whoa, right? Oh no, not too well. No, but I'm dating one of them. Haha, I guess I should think that coming. Do you think they could be hiding something? Wait, is that what the complete does? I know they did like crossover episodes a lot in Toontown, but okay. Yes? Wait, what makes you so sure? Take a listen. Daisy pulled me over and nodded to the door. Confused, I parked my ears to the door when I took a smile hear music and singing it. Through the fair storm weather, we started close together like a book on a shelf. I don't know what beat that's meant to be, okay? Was that Panchito the singing? They're probably trying to pull it on a show. Well, that explains the secret. But Jose was acting a little weirder than usual. I'll tell you why. Give it a second. Oh, does she know too? If you don't know what I'm talking about, Panchito has a crush on Jose. I raised my eyebrow but kept listening. Then it hit me. The heck? What? He was on stage. Who can't sing? Wait. Wait, he was on stage with dogs who can't sing. But I'd be hesitant too. Yeah. Despite his singing, he's the man of my dreams. He should leave them be. I'm sure they got a lot more practice. Do you think? Have you seen Dale? I'm starting to think he's avoiding me. I avoid you too. You kept shoving bows in my hair. Well, excuse me. Because I'm a niece here, I don't have many people to practice on. Not like I can work on many. She was too critical about my technique. Alright, I almost forgot about April, May, and June. That's the names, really? Okay. Are they still living with you? They've been going back and forth between my house and my parents. Not like their mom ever gonna take care of them. Dang. You ever forgot where your sister went off to? No, at this point, good riddance. All I know is that she's somewhere in Europe, like a little snake she is. Sorry. I'm sure they're safe, but I can't help myself from worrying about them. I guess it's the fault of those videos. Yeah. Oh, Mickey, I'm sorry, Dad. I didn't mean to remind you of... It's okay. He was your friend too. Are you doing alright? To be honest, no. I miss him. I miss him a lot. Pete too. Neither of them deserve this. But I was gonna keep smiling, even if it hurts. I don't think Goofy would want us to be upset like this. You know, you should take note of that. He'd be pissed off if he knew how upset you were. And no, as pissed as Goofy can be. Yeah, he'd probably be lecturing us right now about now. Then tell us. I can't believe I gotta be the dad of 5 now. Daisy, do you think we'll be alright? Yeah, we'll be alright if only for Goofy and Pete. Daisy hugged me, a sad smile on her face. I'm gonna show you a bit more, but the stage door is open and had to jump back to avoid getting hit in the face. Oh, sorry, Mick. You okay? Yeah, sorry. We were having a talk. He took Donald's hand. Hi, babe. What were you doing? Quack! Nothing. We're just hanging out. You're so bad, Ryan. I'm gonna be heading to the dining room. Can you join me, handsome? Me? Wait, not Mickey. Wait. Me, right? Not Mickey. Take a while, I guess. Mickey? This is very protective of his girlfriend. Y'all just come with me to the dining room. Yes, ma'am. Go in Daisy ways, then left for the dining room. Then I grew closer to her, and she's right. Goofy and Pete wouldn't be okay with me acting like this. I figured out a way to stop myself, maybe with Jose and Duck's plans. He's still a little rough around the edge. Speaking of those two, are still in the... Oh! They're talking behind his back. He's still thing. Speaking of, those two are still in the stage room. I shouldn't peek. That would be rude. Despite that, I ended up looking in the front hall. Well, but getting better. Yeah. It'll be okay to be a group again. Even under these circumstances, I missed us. You and me both. Hey, are you alright? You've been acting a little out of it lately. Yes, I've been working on some personal problems of Duck and Mickey. Again, many Launchpad I have been working on projects as well. Wait, what are you doing with Duck and Mickey? Would you like to know? Ha! As if you're not curious about my group. Of course I am. Lost on where how bad you are keeping secrets. Okay, let's have a look at your face again. You'll reveal the truth eventually. Yeah, eventually. See, y'all telling me. I walked up the teacher took a step closer to him, and I saw a realizing dawn on his face. You want the truth then? Patito? Oh god, more? I could just highlight that. Well, I can't. Well, Santos is Estro and my Nucha Aspan. I have to see what that means. Okay.
What's not that?
Sorry, my dad.
Okay. Oh, okay.
You're so small.
Okay. Are you sure?
Lo siento si eso arruina nuestra amistad.
Okay. Oh, more? Nice! Oh, check this highlight.
Yeah, that's not rent.
That's lava. I can say bingo, bingo, okay?
Chance. Are you talking about something LGBT was happening? Man, how many gay people will have in this? Oh, man, we're done.
Put it up. Hey, come on. Don't do that. Thank you, Jonah. Good job. Come on, let's go.
Oh, we must have more. Double time. And my great Spanish speaking Julio esto demostró a su mandato no tendrá otra oportunidad.
Pero estoy demasiado asustado, no tendré otra oportunidad.
Yeah. Even if you talk to one, okay? You back? Oh dang. Just trying to figure out where I'm at. Huh? Okay. Go in chapter 3. Huh? I know, Jordan. Shut up. I'll also show you a quick. Here we go. course, I did translate what he said. Well, I was too scared that we'll get another chance. That was what Pachito said, and my great Spanish speaking Picasso. Are we talking about? Yeah. Something LGBT was that? How many times am I gonna say this? How many gay people are in this series?
It's a lot.
Okay, let's go.